Hi guys, okay, so now here we go. Tuesday morning, let's get started. It was very ugly. I had to dig deep in everything to find anything that I would almost like. So I picked up a pack of these, what are these? Inflated Ephemera by Amy Tangerine. And there's a few pieces in there. There's a pineapple, a watermelon, a pizza, a camera, a flamingo, and I believe a donut, I think. But this was $1.49. Amy Tangerine, very cute. I finally picked up a pack of the Sticky Thumbs. I want to give this a try. I see a lot of my favorite crafters using that. So this is the 0.5 inch, the 12 millimeter raised Sticky Thumbs. These are $2.99. There's 150 in the pack. There was a larger pack and I think they were thicker, but it was $3.99. So I just got that for now, because if I don't like it, then it's not a waste. I found some black and white bows by Heidi Swapp. Yep, Heidi Swapp. There's 12 bows in there for $1.49. This Tuesday morning, I spent like, maybe an hour and a half in there, just looking only in the craft section. This one is the Dear Lizzy bows that everyone has been hauling, and my Tuesday morning only had one set. So I was like, yes, at least I got one. Super cute bows. Now I see why everybody loves it. So that was cute, $1.49. I picked up this little pack of, journal card type things, $1.99. This is Jolie's Boutique. There we go. I hate that there's that stinking glare. And you can see right here, I'm showing. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Sorry, it's hard to show with the glare. And then you have this one. Just 4 pieces, very pretty. This is really like, I don't know, resin and paper. Very cute. So that $1.99, I was like, why not? Okay. And the next, we got the ephemera packs. So I got My Mind's Eye, the Penelope pack. And they had a whole bunch of these. $1.99, and this is what comes in it. I guess it's like a little girl birthday thing, but I love the princess coach and the crowns and the pink, and it's super pretty. Yep, the Believe, Magic, Sparkle, Princess, very cute. So I got another pack, ephemera from Echo Park. And this is Dino Friends for $1.99. Looks like that. Okay, and then this is what comes in it. It's super cute because my son loves dinosaurs. And I need to start printing pictures because I'm gonna get back into my scrapbook. Okay, so now we have the On Trend 2, also by My Mind's Eye. And this is the gold and flowers, and I believe this is like a birthday or whatever, but it's cute. It comes with all these ephemera. See that? And all the numbers and their foils, the gold foil. See that? A lot of gold foiling in there. So very cute. They had a lot of these My Mind's Eye packs of ephemera. So this one is Palm Beach, also by My Mind's Eye. Okay, $1.99. All that gold foiling is in there. The pineapples, the palm trees, the words. It's a very cute collection. So I got the Bow Bunny for $2.99. And they're double-sided. Okay, 36. Yeah, this is the Cottontail collection. So here we go, and it has little Easter eggs. Oh, they're not double-sided, they're single-sided. Well, whatever. Pretty little flowers at the top. More flowers with the faux wood grain in the background. Blue skies, very pretty. It is a very pretty paper pad. They also had the 12 by 12, which I was kicking myself when I walked out. It's like I should have just got it. I should have just got it. And then I think it repeats. Yeah. So very pretty paper, and you can do a lot, especially if you start joining these swaps and you have to create multiples of something. Very, very cute. This little paper pad would go a long way. And here's another 6x6 pad for $2.99. Simple Stories, Vintage Bliss, and these are double-sided. Gosh, I've been wrong a lot. So look at this, very cute layout. Stick some miniature pictures on there. That would be super cute. Pretty paper. Look at that. Look at that. All this. Oh, it's about to come off. Oh, there it goes. There's the butterflies. Yeah, it just tore off there. It's okay. Numbers, letters, very cute. Oh, look at that. Bingo. These are coming apart. Look at the butterfly stitches. Oh, can you see that, guys? Is it visible? There you go. Oh, this light. It's light is good and then it's not good. I don't know. Oh, reminds me of going to school, elementary years. Graph paper, print, notepad. Very cute, and then it repeats. So I like it. They didn't have the 12 by 12 in my store, because this is one of the pads I would have picked up in the 12 by 12 if it was there. Wild Heart. Who is this by? Oh, American Crafts. Crate paper. Anyway, look at the colors on this thing. $1.99, puffy stickers. I'm not sure if this is supposed to look like that. See those bubbles on that palm leaf? This is insane. So, anyway, I got that, $1.99. Not bad. Then I got some thickers. There was a whole bunch there to choose from, but I just picked this one up. This is $2.19 and it is Recollections. Look at how pretty that is. XOXO, love, memory, bunch of hearts, gold hearts here. I mean, that's so pretty. I love that. So I picked one of those up. The other thicker, $2.19 also. And this is Wildflower, also by American Crafts, and it just says happy, cute, and adventure, best ever, favorite. And then it has I love you, hello, and I have no idea. XOXO, lovely, and dream. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. They also had Explorer, which is like thicker chipboard combination. But also, again, I picked it up for start scrapbooking for my son. And it's so cute for a boy. I mean, even for a girl, but mainly I'm gonna use it for my son because, yeah, he's the last one. Super cute. American Crafts Explorer. So the reason I went to Tuesday Morning was to see if I could get some of the Maggie Holmes collection. Guess what? I didn't find any. No paper pads. All I found was the, what is this, chipboard stickers for $2.99. And I dug, and good thing I was digging, because if I didn't, I wouldn't have found it. It was underneath all the papers and stuff, like the paper kits. So I found this, and it was the one and only. I thought I could find more, but no. So this is the Maggie Holmes chipboard sure you all know what this one is. Carousel? This is the carousel? I have no clue. And it's even damaged, you know. But guess what? For $2.99, that is not a bad price. I love it. That giant swan. So pretty. And those are the stickers. So this is the last of the Maggie Holmes that I could find, and I believe this is also the carousel collection. And it has the sequins. This is $1.99. And this is a cheat, like this little section of stars. And then these pom-poms were super cute Maggie Holmes colors. So that's what I got for my Maggie Holmes that I was searching for. That was all I found. And then walking out the door, they had a basket full of these pasta bow ties. Isn't that pretty? Look at those bows. I mean, I would honestly, I bought them to cook them, but before I cook any of it, I think I'm gonna pull like a little bit of it out for my crafting because they're so cute. And then I picked up this pack, multicolor, very pretty. Look at the pink in there. So yep, that's what I found for $2.99 each. Sorry guys, $2.99. And it was just sitting in a cart waiting. This doesn't expire till 2020. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.